Lingportal Online School presents
Listen to the story and answer the questions. My home.
My home is my favourite place in the world. It's not just a house, it's where I feel safe, happy and loved. Let me take you on a little tour, starting from the outside and then moving inside. Outside, our house has a lovely garden filled with flowers, like roses and daisies. My dad and I spend our weekends gardening, planting new flowers and taking care of the lawn. We have a small vegetable patch where we grow tomatoes and carrots. There's also a big oak tree that gives us shade on sunny days. It's the perfect spot for reading or having a picnic. As you enter our home, the first thing you notice is the cosy living room. It has a large, comfortable sofa where my family and I watch films together on Friday nights. There's a bookshelf filled with books from floor to ceiling. My brother Alex and I often compare to see who can read the most books. The kitchen is next to the living room. It's always buzzing with activity, especially when my mum is cooking. The smell of her homemade biscuits fills the air, making the kitchen the heart of our home. We have a big table where we share meals and talk about our day. Upstairs are our bedrooms. My room is painted light blue, my favourite colour. I have posters of my favourite bands on the walls and a desk where I do my homework and write in my diary. It's my personal space where I can be myself. Our home is more than just a building. It's filled with laughter, memories, and the people I love most. Every room tells a story, and every corner holds a special place in my heart.
Questions for conversational practice. Answer the questions aloud during the allotted time. What does Emma like to do in the garden with her dad? Emma likes to spend weekends gardening, planting new flowers, and taking care of the lawn with her dad. Describe the living room in Emma's home. The living room has a large, cosy sofa, a bookshelf filled with books, and it's where the family watches movies together. Who competes to read the most books, and where are these books kept? Emma and her brother Alex compete to see who can read the most books, which are kept on a floor-to-ceiling bookshelf. What special activity makes the kitchen the heart of Emma's home? The kitchen becomes the heart of the home when Emma's mum is cooking, especially when she makes homemade biscuits. Why is Emma's room important to her? Emma's room is important to her because it's painted in her favourite colour, has her favourite band posters, and it's where she has her personal space for homework and diary writing. Key vocabulary. During pauses, repeat the sentences aloud. Gardening. The activity of tending and cultivating a garden. Gardening on the weekend is a peaceful hobby for me. Cosy sofa. A comfortable couch. We all love to sit on the cosy sofa and watch TV. Homemade biscuits. Biscuits made at home, not bought from the store. The smell of her homemade biscuits filled the air, making the kitchen the heart of our home. Personal space. An area where someone can be alone or private. My bedroom is my personal space where I can relax.